Imagine a world where the lines between the physical and digital are blurred. Towering skyscrapers shimmer with holographic advertisements, their facades alive with dynamic displays. Pedestrians navigate bustling streets, some donning sleek virtual reality headsets, their gazes lost in virtual landscapes. This is not a scene from a science fiction film. This is the future that awaits us, a future where virtual reality and holography are not just technologies, but integral aspects of our daily lives. This immersive future promises to revolutionize everything from how we learn and work to how we interact with each other and experience the world. Imagine attending a history lecture where you are not just listening but actively participating in historical events, walking alongside historical figures, or traveling through time to witness pivotal moments firsthand. This is the power of virtual reality, to transport us beyond the limitations of our physical surroundings and create truly engaging experiences. But this future is not just about entertainment and spectacle. Imagine a surgeon performing a complex operation remotely, guided by holographic projections of the patient's anatomy. Picture yourself collaborating with colleagues from around the world in a virtual office space, brainstorming and innovating without geographical boundaries. These are just a few examples of how virtual reality and holography are poised to transform industries, making them more efficient, accessible, and interconnected. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, it is crucial to consider not just the exciting possibilities but also the potential challenges and ethical implications. How will these technologies impact our social fabric, our sense of reality, and our very humanity? These are questions we must grapple with as we shape the future of our digital world. Virtual reality, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, has rapidly transitioned into a tangible reality. No longer just a tool for immersive gaming, VR has permeated diverse sectors, from entertainment and gaming to healthcare and education, demonstrating its vast potential beyond mere entertainment. The gaming industry, a natural early adopter of virtual reality, has witnessed a paradigm shift. Gamers are no longer passive observers but active participants, immersed in richly detailed virtual worlds where they can interact with environments and characters in unprecedented ways. This immersive experience has elevated gaming to new heights, blurring the lines between the virtual and the real. Beyond gaming, virtual reality is revolutionizing training and education. Imagine medical students honing their surgical skills on virtual patients, making mistakes and learning from them without any real-world consequences. Picture history students walking through virtual recreations of ancient cities, experiencing historical events as if they were there. Virtual reality makes learning engaging, effective, and accessible to all. The potential applications of virtual reality are virtually limitless, extending far beyond these early examples. As the technology continues to evolve, becoming more sophisticated and affordable, we can expect to see virtual reality integrated into every aspect of our lives, transforming the way we work, learn, play, and connect with the world around us. Imagine a classroom without walls, where students can travel through the human bloodstream, explore the Egyptian pyramids, or even journey to distant planets, all without leaving their desks. This is the transformative potential of virtual reality in education, a realm where imagination knows no bounds. Virtual reality allows for experiential learning, a far cry from traditional textbook methods. Students are no longer passive recipients of information, but active participants in their education. They can manipulate objects, conduct experiments, and experience concepts firsthand, leading to deeper understanding and knowledge retention. For instance, medical students can utilize virtual reality simulations to practice intricate surgical procedures, honing their skills in a safe and controlled environment. History students can step back in time, virtually exploring ancient civilizations and interacting with historical figures, making history come alive in a way that textbooks never could. The possibilities are endless. Students can explore the rainforest canopy, dive into the depths of the ocean, or even travel through the vastness of space, all from the comfort of their classrooms. Virtual reality has the power to democratize education, making enriching learning experiences accessible to students regardless of their geographical location or socioeconomic background. Section 4. Holography. From science fiction to reality. Remember the iconic scene from Star Wars where Princess Leia's holographic message flickered to life? Holography, once a staple of science fiction, has now transitioned into the realm of reality, poised to revolutionize various sectors, from entertainment and communication to healthcare and business. Imagine attending a concert where a holographic image of your favorite musician performs live on stage, indistinguishable from the real thing. Picture yourself interacting with holographic representations of colleagues located across the globe, their life-size images projected into your office, blurring the lines between physical and virtual presence. These are just glimpses of the transformative potential of holography. In healthcare, holography is transforming medical imaging and diagnostics. Surgeons can now visualize complex anatomical structures in 3 dimensions, allowing for more precise and minimally invasive procedures. Remote consultations with specialists are enhanced by holographic projections, enabling doctors to examine patients and discuss cases as if they were physically present. The business world, too, is embracing holography to create immersive and engaging experiences. Imagine attending a product launch where holographic models showcase the latest innovations, or participating in a virtual conference where holographic presentations captivate the audience. Holography has the power to revolutionize communication, collaboration, and customer engagement. Section 5. The future of connection, social interactions transformed. In an increasingly digital age where physical distance often separates us from loved ones, virtual reality and holography offer a powerful antidote to isolation, bridging the gap between the physical and virtual realms, and transforming the way we connect, interact, and build relationships. Imagine attending a friend's wedding virtually, experiencing the joy and celebration as if you were physically present, sharing laughter, tears, and heartfelt moments despite being miles apart. Picture yourself catching up with family members scattered across the globe in a virtual living room, sharing stories, laughter, and the warmth of human connection, regardless of physical distance. VR and holography have the potential to revolutionize social interactions, fostering a sense of presence and shared experience that transcends physical limitations. Virtual events, from concerts and conferences to family gatherings and social meetups, can now be experienced with an unprecedented level of immersion, bringing people together in ways never before imagined. However, it's crucial to approach these advancements with a balanced perspective. While VR and holography offer exciting possibilities for connection, it's essential to ensure that these virtual interactions complement, rather than replace, real-world relationships and experiences. The key lies in striking a harmonious balance between the virtual and the real, leveraging these technologies to enhance, rather than substitute, the richness of human connection. In this chapter, we explore how VR and holography are revolutionizing the medical field. From virtual surgeries to holographic anatomy lessons, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a medical student practicing complex surgical procedures in a risk-free virtual environment, refining their skills and gaining confidence before ever stepping into an operating room. Picture doctors using holographic patient data to visualize and plan intricate surgeries with unprecedented precision, enhancing both the safety and outcomes of medical procedures. We will look at real-world examples and case studies, starting with a virtual reality platform that allows surgeons to rehearse operations in a hyper-realistic setting, reducing the margin for error and improving patient care. Next, we'll examine how holographic technology is being used in medical education, providing students with immersive 3D visualizations of human anatomy that enhance their understanding and retention of complex concepts. In addition to training and education, VR and holography are also making strides in patient care. For instance, virtual reality therapy is being used to help patients manage chronic pain, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder, offering a non-invasive and effective treatment option. Holographic communication tools are enabling doctors to consult with specialists around the world in real time, bringing expert opinions to even the most remote locations. The integration of these cutting-edge technologies in healthcare is not just a glimpse into the future, it's happening now, transforming the way we diagnose, treat, and care for patients. As we continue to innovate and refine these tools, the potential to improve healthcare outcomes and enhance the quality of life for patients around the globe is truly limitless. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of medical applications of VR and holography and discover how these advancements are shaping the future of medicine. Education is being transformed by VR and holography. Imagine students walking through historical events or exploring the human body in 3D. This chapter delves into the educational benefits and showcases some pioneering institutions. Just picture a history class where students can virtually step into ancient Rome, witnessing the grandeur of the Colosseum, or walk alongside Martin Luther King Jr. during the Civil Rights Movement. These immersive experiences make history come alive, fostering a deeper understanding and emotional connection to the past. In science classes, VR can turn abstract concepts into tangible experiences. Students can explore the solar system, interact with chemical compounds, or even take a guided tour inside the human body. Holographic displays can project complex structures like DNA, allowing students to examine them from every angle. Educational institutions around the world are already harnessing these technologies. For instance, a pioneering university in California has integrated VR into its curriculum, enabling students to conduct virtual lab experiments and participate in interactive lectures. In the UK, a leading medical school uses holography to teach anatomy, providing students with detailed 3D models that enhance their learning experience. Moreover, these technologies are not limited to higher education. Primary and secondary schools are also adopting VR and holography to create more engaging and effective learning environments. Imagine a geography lesson where students can virtually visit the Amazon rainforest, or a literature class where they can explore the settings of classic novels. The benefits extend beyond traditional subjects. VR and holography can also support special education, offering tailored experiences that cater to individual learning needs. For students with disabilities, these technologies can provide new ways to interact with the world, breaking down barriers to learning. As we continue to explore and develop these tools, the potential to revolutionize education is immense. By making learning more immersive, interactive, and accessible, VR and holography are opening new doors for students of all ages and backgrounds. The future of education is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking applications of VR and holography in education and see how these innovations are shaping the classrooms of tomorrow. The entertainment industry is embracing VR and holography like never before. From immersive video games to holographic concerts, this chapter explores how these technologies are changing the way we experience entertainment. Imagine stepping into your favorite video game, not just as a player but as an integral part of the storyline. VR is making this possible, offering gamers a fully immersive experience where they can interact with characters and environments as if they were real. This level of engagement is transforming gaming from a pastime into a deeply immersive adventure. Holography is also making waves in the music industry. Picture attending a concert where your favorite artist, who may no longer be with us, performs live on stage. Holographic technology brings these legends back to life, offering fans a chance to experience performances they thought they'd never see. It's not just about nostalgia. Current artists are also using holography to create visually stunning shows that captivate audiences in ways traditional concerts never could. Movies and television are catching up too. VR allows filmmakers to create 360-degree films where viewers can explore scenes from any angle, feeling like they are part of the action. This technology is revolutionizing storytelling, allowing for more interactive and personalized viewing experiences. Theater productions are incorporating VR and holography to create sets and effects that would be impossible with traditional stagecraft. Imagine watching a play where the scenery changes dynamically around the actors, creating an ever-shifting, immersive world. Sports fans are not left out either. VR is bringing stadium experiences to your living room. You can watch games from the perspective of your favorite player, or get a bird's-eye view of the action, all while feeling the energy of the crowd around you. As these technologies continue to evolve, the boundaries of entertainment are being pushed further than ever before. We're entering an era where the line between reality and imagination is increasingly blurred, offering endless possibilities for how we consume and experience entertainment. Join us as we delve into the groundbreaking applications of VR and holography in the entertainment industry and see how these innovations are redefining fun and excitement. Industries and engineering fields are leveraging VR and holography for design, simulation, and training. This chapter highlights some groundbreaking applications and their impact on efficiency and safety. Imagine a construction site where engineers can walk through a building before it's even built. VR allows for detailed virtual tours, enabling teams to identify potential issues and make adjustments before any physical work begins. This not only saves time but also reduces costly errors. In manufacturing, VR simulations are used to design and test new machinery. Engineers can interact with virtual prototypes, running simulations to ensure everything functions correctly before constructing the real thing. This approach leads to more efficient designs and faster production times. Holography plays a crucial role in training. Workers can be trained on complex machinery using holographic displays that show step-by-step instructions in real time. This hands-on approach enhances learning and ensures that workers are well prepared for their tasks, improving overall safety and productivity. In the automotive industry, VR and holography are used for everything from designing new car models to training assembly line workers. Virtual reality allows designers to experiment with new concepts without the need for physical prototypes, while holographic training modules ensure that workers can master their tasks efficiently and safely. The oil and gas industry also benefits from these technologies. VR simulations provide a safe environment for workers to practice handling hazardous situations, while holography offers real-time data visualization, helping engineers monitor and manage operations more effectively. These innovations are not just about making processes faster or cheaper, they're about creating safer workplaces, reducing environmental impact, and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in industrial and engineering fields. As VR and holography continue to evolve, their applications will only expand, leading to even more groundbreaking advancements. Join us as we explore how these cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing industries and engineering, making the impossible possible. As we stand on the brink of technological evolution, virtual reality and holography promise a future brimming with possibilities. Imagine a world where our daily lives are seamlessly integrated with immersive digital experiences, enhancing everything from personal productivity to global connectivity. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must tread carefully, considering the ethical implications of these advancements. Privacy concerns arise as VR systems collect vast amounts of data about our movements, behaviors, and even emotions. How do we ensure this data is protected and used responsibly? Moreover, the potential for addiction to these immersive experiences cannot be overlooked. As VR becomes more prevalent, it is crucial to establish guidelines and support systems to help individuals balance virtual and real-world interactions. There is also the question of accessibility. How do we ensure that these cutting-edge technologies are available to all, regardless of socioeconomic status? The digital divide must be addressed to prevent further inequality. Ethical considerations extend to the content itself. Virtual environments can be designed to manipulate perceptions and emotions. It's vital to establish ethical standards to prevent the misuse of these powerful tools in ways that could harm individuals or society. As we venture into this new frontier, collaboration between technologists, ethicists, and policymakers will be key. Together, we can harness the potential of VR and holography while safeguarding our values and principles. The future is not just about what we can create, but about how we choose to shape it. By addressing these ethical considerations, we can ensure that the advancements in virtual reality and holography benefit all of humanity, paving the way for a brighter, more inclusive future. Join us as we continue to explore the promise and challenges of these transformative technologies.